Hey guys, what's up? For the following month, we will dive into a new novel and explore the theme of survival. The meaning of survival has changed over the course of times. While our ancestors once had to hunt their own food to survive, we can simply enjoy the luxury of finding most things at a superstore today. By introducing you guys the concept of surviving, I hope to build upon previous knowledge on what you guys may think survival is. You guys will be able to use concepts that you may have already learned in history, or even outside through real-life experiences when diving into the novel of Lord of the Flies by Will M. Golding. This theme will give you guys the opportunity to engage in expressive writing, build upon inferences you guys might already made regarding this theme, and work together towards analyzing this book. Overall, survival is an important recurring theme in life, and it will continue to come up whether it is in high school or in everyday experiences. Now, to prepare you guys for tomorrow's in-class activities, I will give you guys a brief introduction to Lord of the Flies. In the midst of war, a plane carrying a group of British schoolboys aged 7 to 12 is shot down and lands on a remote island in the middle of the Pacific. The pilot of the plane dies during the crash, and the boys are left to survive alone, with little to no resources. The boys elect Ralph, one of the oldest and more confident of the bunch, to be their leader, but when the boys cannot see eye to eye on certain issues, they split into two groups. Jack, a more aggressive boy, becomes the leader of the second group, and a lot of the book revolves around conflict between the boys not agreeing with each other and eventually trying to kill each other off in order for one group to have complete control of the island. 3 of the boys are killed as a result of their disputes, and the book revolves around the central theme of savagery that can be found in even the most civilized human beings. For your homework, please answer the questions attached to this video lesson and summarize a different literary work, movie, or show that has the theme of survival.